Well, hello tubers. We're going to start this video out on a happier note. No, it is not a clickbait. I lost everything. The girlfriend and I decided we want to produce this video so it might help somebody else out in regards to saving a life would be a good thing. You're looking at a 2020 toy hauler. This is Jackie's truck, which is gone now. And I thought I'd just show you people a few pictures of what we did have. Like I said, this was a camping experience. Prior to, I have nothing to show you from the one where the incident happened. I lost everything. Here's my homemade cart ATV, and I had it registered as a 1990 home built. There's over 2,000 hours building this thing. It drove out beautiful, and it don't look the same anymore. We'll get to that in a moment. Now, for those of you who don't know, a toy hauler, the rear gate opens up so you can put your machines inside of it. Also, this was our 86 200X. We went out of state to pick this guy up. We detailed the motor and spent a lot of time touching up little areas. Yes, this was along too inside the toy hauler. Well, let's get to the movie. I'll show you folks what we have left, what went wrong, and yeah, I'm beyond blessed to be here yet, so let's get started. When Jackie was driving, and I know she was always paranoid whenever a semi passed. Well, you always air the rear tires on your towing vehicle up to maximum pressure is a good idea. And we had the sway bar on the trailer. Well, I told her if you ever get a wiggle, leave off on the gas, and so I don't scare you, I'm probably going to be reaching over to apply the trailer brake. Well, the one thing I did not tell her, and everybody should know, you get a wiggle, you hold the steering wheel straight. I did not tell her that. I assumed she knew that. Well, a semi went by. The trailer lightly wiggled. Well, she thought she had to correct it with the steering wheel. Well, that got way out of hand. That's where things went wrong. So that's something I want you folks to know, which could save your life. Well, I don't remember anything while I was reaching over to apply that trailer brake like it was going to do any good at this point. I flew up, hit my head on the roof up there, knocked myself out, and my ribs got slammed on the console. They're not happy. Well, while the truck was on fire, and I'm knocked unconscious, stuck between two seats, some passerbys stopped. A couple of them had fire extinguishers, this is what I've all been told, and they were trying to keep the flames at bay the best they could. And the doors wouldn't open, so I guess they got me out the passenger's rear window somehow. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know if I'd be here, because the fire department did arrive, but that was minutes later. Yeah, you can see from this shot the truck must have went on the side there. Jackie did get out right away and got her dog out, which was nice, but I guess she was hollering at everybody to get me out where it was on fire. All the tires are blown out except for that left rear, and one person told me that my little dog wouldn't allow anybody to catch it until I was out of the truck, which kind of surprised me. I don't know if it's true or not, but interesting. Yeah, and my little dog was acting not normal for like 3 days. She was definitely traumatized from this. Well, here's what's left of the camper. Here's our 86 200X. And you can see the right handlebar is definitely pointed pretty good. The front forks are bent. The frame is bent. Yeah, that's pretty messed up. And of course, the headlight guard, that's bent. Oh, shit. And big digger in the seat. That's the central air unit for the camper laying on the deck there. In the gas tank, there wasn't a scratch in it. You can see where the handlebars hit the tank. And there's a big hole in it. Lost all the gas right there. Lucky that didn't start on fire. And by the way, I still don't know what caused the truck to start on fire. It'd be kind of neat to know, but yeah, that was a pretty intensive hit to the truck. Well, that's the refrigerator right there. Yeah, totally full of food. I don't know what's left in it anymore. We can't open it. And now let's have a look at my little homemade buggy here. She took a pretty good hit. The fenders are definitely tweaked up. Well, the cart frame's definitely twisted up in multiple directions. Kind of laughed through the years. A few people said, that roll bar's never gonna hold. Well, I hope they see this. Anyway, yeah, all the structural underneath that's also bowed slightly, so not a good thing, but we still want to fix it, that's for sure. Rear shock got busted off. I got some new ones on already. Got to start somewhere. Yeah, that's the stovetop laying under the cart there. I was quite shocked to see the cart in this state right here. Well, that rear loading gate is still attached to the trailer, and that's a microwave right there. That's one of the tanks from under the trailer. So, more of a look at the cart. Yeah, we built this cart in the early 90s. A lot of friends would stop by, give a hand, cut this piece off here and grind the edge of that or whatever. Kind of nice, but yeah, hopefully it still lives on yet. And you can see right there, that's one of the bends, beyond evident, right there in the frame. You can see where the roll bar was wearing on the pavement. And one good fender. Nothing wrong with that one there at all. And I just put the mirrors on for us going up the Eagle River. It's actually legal to drive that all over on the roads and on the trails. We did have a heck of a nice time until we were 10 miles from home. The trailer frame looks actually unscathed. I was told they even powder coat the frame on there. So, well, tubers, we both really wanted to present this to you folks to hopefully save a life. Oh my God, if you're towing a trailer, by all means, have a sway bar, air up the rear tires more in the towing vehicle. Leave off on the gas if you start to get a wiggle, and apply the rear trailer brake. Hold the steering wheel straight. Keep that one in mind. That's where everything went wrong here. So, had to pass that on to you folks. We hope like heck this might save somebody else's life. It's just good knowledge to be known. Thank you for watching. Catch you soon. Bye bye.